Hi everyone, today video is all about a great investment opportunity and that comes from the Provident Botanico and from the Provident developer. Let's understand what exactly is happening into the Whitefield market and why this opportunity is a great opportunity for you.
India's real estate market is experiencing a boom.
Real estate.
Indian real estate.
If you want to buy a home today with any reputed developer in Whitefield, prices are already 14 to 15,000 rupees per square feet. We are currently sitting at the peak of a real estate of Whitefield. Now the question is where these prices will go from here. Whitefield will give a returns to you, but not in 3 to 4 years. Because when you buy a product at the peak value, your horizon cannot be short term. Now suppose you are buying a product of 14,000 rupees per square feet, your journey of 27,000 to 30,000 rupees per square feet will be over 6 to 7 years, not in 4 years. So, if your horizon of investment is just 3 to 4 years, do not invest. But if you are looking a property with a 14,000 to 15,000 rupees per square feet and your horizon is 6 to 7 years, Whitefield still is the one of the strong growth market for you. Now let's understand why Whitefield will still grow because of the employment opportunity and the migration. It's very simple. Real estate grows where the job market grows. Now let's talk about the upcoming tech spaces. What's coming into the Whitefield market? Airbus is coming with a global capability center in Goel & Co Titanium Tech Park. Sattva new tech park is ready as on today. Prestige Tech Forest is getting operational by the next year. Samudra Capital Towers is already functional. And not only this, Prestige Habitat Tech Park is getting operational in next 2 to 3 years. This tech park alone will bring almost 1 lakh plus new working professionals into the Whitefield belt. When high quality jobs comes, migration always increases and residential demands will increase and price will appreciate. These large developers like Prestige, Shobha, Brigade, Sattva or companies like Airbus invest only after deep research in the market. If they are betting a big on Whitefield, it clearly tells that the future demand will be really high. But let's talk about the ground reality. Today, most of the projects are sitting at 2 to 2.5 crore and not everyone has a budget of 2 to 2.5 crore. If you see the current situation, today for a 3 BHK with a reputed brand in Whitefield, you need at least of 2.4 to 2.5 crore for the 3 bedroom and 1.8 crore for the 2 bedroom. There is a huge segment of buyers who are looking a property, a 3 BHK anywhere between 1 crore 50, a 2 BHK anywhere between 1 crore. And this is the segment where you have a larger pool of audience. And this is the reason why Soukya Road play a crucial role and relevant when you are watching this video. Now, a real question come over here, why Soukya Road? Because entry cost is the advantage, or you have 2 options if you are looking a property in a Whitefield. Option number 1, Buddhigiri Cross, where the prices are almost 12,500 rupees per square feet and developers are coming with the bigger sizes, so the price automatically jumps up. It's very obedient if you have the budget size which increases from 2.5 crore onward, your pool of audience get reduced. If your investment horizon is just 5 years, then Soukya Road offer you lower entry cost, less liquidity. Now lots of a viewer will ask, Soukya Road do not have a better infrastructure, better road connectivity. Yes, that's absolutely true. As a buyer, ask a question to yourself, why somebody is investing in Soukya Road with a 5 crore villa with the properties like Goel & Co? Why somebody is paying 10 to 12 crore with the properties like Raffles Park? Why a property from Birla Group, Birla Alokya, it's selling at 2.5 crore apartment here? Ask a question to yourself, why Godrej Group has acquired the land for their new launch? Try to understand the developer mindset, why developers like Brigade has invested heavily on the East Corridor and they are able to sell their property which is 10 to 12 km from the Soukya Road. And trust me, developers like Prestige, Shobha, Brigade, Godrej, this developer has vision for the next 15 years and that's the reason they are coming with a location which are very strategic. Typically, these large developers invest only in the location where they see the future connectivity is getting better or growth potential is better. Now let's dive into economics, understand the demand and supply gap over here. If today you want to buy a property at 2 to 2.5 crore You have multiple options into the Whitefield market. But if you have a budget of 1.5 crore, your options get very limited. Let me give you an example. Suppose today you want to buy any property at 1.5 crore with a 3 BHK. You have very limited options available for you with a good reputed developer. If I talk about the options, just you have a Godrej Splendor or you have a Sriram Greenfield. These are the two products with a good reputed developers. You are able to get it at 1.5 crore. Means you have demand and supply gap in the market. And that's where your opportunity comes. If you have low supply in the mid segment, which is a 1 crore 50 or 1 crore product, you will see the high capital appreciation potential for yourself. Let me give you more understanding why Provident Botanico make a good financial sense for you. Property is located at 100 feet of a main road. So as an investor or as a buyer, it gives you a better connectivity and more visibility. Today you may be the investor, but somebody who gonna buy the property from you, he will look forward the developer reputation. He will look forward how big is the development, and it's a 15 acre of a development where you are getting better lung space for yourself, lots of amenities. This property you are getting with Provankara Group, so you are not compromising with the brand, you are not compromising with the quality of construction. This construction comes with a My One as a construction, which is framework basically. If you are an investor, for you what matter is the number. Let's dig down the numbers, how this investment will be the one of the best investment available in the market as on today. Let me give you a crystal clear visibility on the financials. Assume you are buying a 3 BHK for 1 crore 55 lakh rupees here. Your payment plan as on today, you have to pay just 20% now, which is almost 25 lakh rupees. No payment for the next 3 years, no bank loan required for the next 3 years for you. This means you do not have a headache of bank loans and you are entering the market with a low liquidity pressure. Is around 45,000 rupees for the 3 BHK. 2-year rentals, if you calculate for the 4th year and 5th year, it's approximately around 11 lakh rupees. Let's take an example. 4th year you have taken a handover and you have gone with a bank loan. For the 4th year, if you have taken a loan of 1 crore 25 lakh rupees, your loan EMI will be 1 lakh approximately. Means another 2 years you are going to pay another 25 lakh rupees to the developer. Let's take into a consideration registration cost. Your approximate registration cost will be approx 10 lakh rupees. Now let me give you the 5-year visibility in terms of a financial. Let's see, 20% payment is 25 lakh rupees. EMI you have paid for the 4th and 5th year is another 25 lakh rupees. Registration you have paid another 10 lakh rupees. Your total outflow will be 60 lakh rupees. And if you minus the rental, which is 11 lakh, your net outflow for the 5-year is 49 lakh rupees. So in 5 years, your real estate commitment is 49 lakh. Today your commitment is just 25 lakh rupees, and this is the true cost of entering into a Bangalore real estate. Now let's keep a very conservative approach into our real estate. We are not talking about 25% of yearly growth for yourself. Projects like Brigade Utopia, Prestige City, Brigade Buena Vista, which is in Buddhigiri Cross, has delivered almost 20 to 25% returns in the last 4 to 5 years. Let's take a very conservative number, which is a 15% growth. If real estate is not making 15% for you, then this is not a platform to invest even. At 15%, if you calculate, your first year growth is almost 23 lakh rupees. Your 5-year growth is almost 1 crore 16 lakh rupees. Now let's do the math as per the 5-year. Your total outflow for the next 5 years was 49 lakh and your total capital appreciation is 1 crore 16. Your net earning is 67 lakh rupees. You have invested in the 5-year 49 lakh. You are making 67 lakh rupees. You are making almost 100% return on your investment. And trust me, I have taken a very conservative number. You will still able to make 67 lakh rupees by investing 49 lakh rupees in 5 years. Trust my word, in the coming 5 years in Soukya Road, you will not able to sell your property lesser than 2.5 to 2.6 crore. What does it mean? It means that you have almost incremental of 15% per annum for you. Now let's compare this opportunity with a fixed deposit. If you keep 25 lakh rupees into your FDs at 7.5%, for the next 5 years, you are making almost 9 lakh rupees. But on top of that 30%, you are paying TDS. And by the comparison, you will understand that real estate able to make you almost 7x of more returns compared to the fixed deposit. My final verdict, it's not about the Provident Botanico. If you see the job growth and commercial investment and migration what happening to the Whitefield or Bangalore, you'll have more visibility. Wherever in Bangalore, Prestige, Shobha, Brigade, Godrej has come to one geography, the prices has gone really high. Example, Varthur Road, example, Buddhigiri Road, example, Whitefield. And that's what going to happen toward the Soukya Road too. If you able to understand the demand and supply market, you see that the mid-segment supply is very limited. And that's the opportunity to enter into the market. I see Provident Botanico offer one of the strongest risk adjustment investment opportunity into the East market today. If you are an investor, your goal horizon of investment is 5 years and you are looking very conservative number of 15%, then this opportunity is meant for you because your liquidity is lesser and demand supply gap is a great opportunity for you. If you do not get visibility on the numbers, connect with me. I'll show you the visibility for next 5 years.